In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Whop. So this is an easy and quick process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. The first step you need to do to withdraw your funds, just go to your dashboard, then click on payouts under the finances section, select withdraw to bank or instant, choose your withdrawal frequency, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Check the box to confirm the withdrawal, click on confirm withdrawal. And this short video can show you how to do it. You can go ahead, choose the amount you want, check this checkbox, confirm withdrawal, and here you can see that the withdrawal has happened. So this is how to withdraw. Once the withdrawal is processed, you will receive an email notification that withdrawals usually arrive in your bank within 3 to 5 business days. Instant withdrawals typically arrive within 30 minutes of withdrawal. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.